How to make iced coffee. In this video, we are going to show you how to make iced coffee at home. With just your regular coffee recipe and iced cubes, you are good to go. There are different methods of making iced coffee and they are easy to make. They include 1. The cold brew method. Here's what you will need. 1 to 3 cups of coffee beans. Coffee grinder. Cold brew coffee maker. 6 to 7 cups of water. Ice cubes. Milk. Cream. Let's get started. Step 1. Grind the coffee beans to a mildly coarse texture. Step 2. Pour water into your coffee maker and add your ground coffee. Step 3. Put inside the refrigerator for at least 24 hours. Step 4. After 24 hours, filter your coffee and pour it into a tall glass cup filled with ice. Step 5. Add milk or cream. Step 6. Stir and serve. 2. The instant coffee method. Step 1. Put 2 to 3 teaspoons of instant coffee granules in a jar. Step 2. Pour 1 cup of hot water and stir properly. Step 3. Add 2 to 3 cubes of sugar to taste and stir the mixture. Step 4. Fill a glass cup with ice cubes. Step 5. Pour your coffee into the glass cup and serve. 3. The blender method. Step 1. Pour your freshly brewed coffee into a blender. Step 2. Add many ice cubes as possible. Step 3. Add milk or cream for more thickness. Step 4. Blend until smoothly mixed and serve in a glass cup. 4. The iced coffee cubes method. Step 1. Pour your coffee into an ice tray. Step 2. Freeze in your refrigerator to form coffee ice cubes. Step 3. Remove coffee ice cubes from the ice tray into a tall glass cup. Step 4. Add milk or cream. Step 5. Stir properly and serve. You can have your iced coffee alone. It can also be served with a plate of cookies or any other snack of your choice. How to store iced coffee. Iced coffee is better served fresh. However, you can store iced coffee in the refrigerator. Preferably at the door of the fridge to reduce the freezing effect. As much as possible, resist the urge to store it in the fridge for a long time, as this alters the taste and nutritional value of iced coffee. Nutritional value of iced coffee. The dietary components of iced coffee are not constant. This is because it depends on the components of the recipe used for its preparation. A cup of regular iced coffee contains water, protein, fat, carbohydrate, fiber, and sodium. The average nutritional value of 1 cup of iced coffee comprising of coffee, whole milk, cream, and water is approximately 528 calories, 2,210 kilojoules. If you've enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button below and hit the notification bell so you'll know once we post a new video. Also, drop a comment so we can know your thoughts. Finally, don't forget to check the description below for more details. And visit our site, www.zimcoffee.com for more awesome coffee content like this.